Why does your back sometimes hurt more when you cough or sneeze? When you cough or sneeze, pressure inside your abdomen and around your spine increases very quickly. If something in your lower back is already irritated, that sudden increase in pressure can make your symptoms much more noticeable. For some people, especially when the pain travels into the leg, this can be something we want to investigate further. It does not automatically mean you have a serious problem, but it is a good example on why understanding exactly what triggers your pain can give us clues about where it's coming from.